Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Jeep Cherokee Altitude that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. This is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. If you're in the market for a compact crossover, the Jeep Cherokee is a great choice. The Jeep Cherokee comes in either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. This particular one is front-wheel drive. For most people who live in the Puget Sound area, obviously we don't get too much snow here, so you probably do fine with front-wheel drive. I've lived here almost 16 years, and up until recently I just bought a Subaru. I've only had rear-wheel drive and front-wheel drive, and I've got around fine. We don't get much snow. Of course, if you do, go over those snowy winter passes, you do drive in the snow quite often, maybe you want to look at all-wheel drive. But the nice thing about a front-wheel drive one is will be at a lower price point than a comparable four-wheel drive, maybe $1,000 or $2,000 cheaper. It'll get a little bit better gas mileage without the drag of that four-wheel drive system, and maintenance costs will be a little bit lower too, since you don't have to worry about servicing the four-wheel drive differential. So just some food for thought. This one is a nice two-tone interior. Love the contrast stitching. Really nice upscale. I actually had a Cherokee myself, but I had a '99 Cherokee, which is kind of an iconic Jeep product, but very, very crude. That was good for going off-road, but as far as, it was built on, body and frame, where this Cherokee is built on car-based unibody architecture. Much more easier vehicle to live with every day in the real world than my old Cherokee, as much as I liked it. Electronic parking brake, great automatic transmission. We have lots of connectivity. You can put your SD card in there if you want to maybe listen to, I think like some of your favorite songs and stuff like that. You can put it on the SD card and pop it in there. There's USB connectivity, auxiliary in, rear parking camera, nice leather up steering wheel. This one has 73,118 miles at the time of making this video. Really nice color combination. Has these nice upgraded black wheels. Goes really nicely with the black roof rails on top. Offers some nice contrast. Then you have the tinted windows, rain gutters. Interior space is pretty good. I'm 6'2". I had this front seat adjusted for my height, and I still have plenty of room back here. Also a generous amount of cargo space, and of course you can fold those rear seats down for even more cargo. Also, you have a few Easter eggs in the Jeep. This is kind of an adjustable, for like grocery bags. You can hang your plastic grocery bags so they don't roll around the back, but you can see the front of it is a grill of an old Jeep Willys. So if you happen to own this Cherokee, you'll probably find little Easter eggs like that kind of hidden throughout the Jeep. It's kind of a fun thing that they did. Paying homage to their heritage. There's some great programs going on right now. Complimentary delivery up to 250 miles. Usually you can get the vehicle to you within 48 hours, or sometimes as little as 24 hours. There's another Easter egg, another little Jeep Willys. I'm sure there's a few more around here too. Just don't know exactly where they are. For an engine, we have this 2.4 liter multi-air 4-cylinder engine. It's about 184 horsepower, I believe. Not a heavy vehicle, plenty of power. It's also very fuel efficient. You should get close to 30 miles per gallon on the highway, especially with front wheel drive. Really nice, stylish looking vehicle. I love the kind of futuristic, curvaceous front end styling. Definitely a dramatic departure from my old boxy Cherokee, but it does kind of still have some Jeep design influences, like the vertical slots in the grille. That's definitely Jeep for sure. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.